Okay. Hi, I'm Chris. Welcome to our kitchen.
I'm Kristen.
We're Keto in the Country.
This is your channel for smart, healthy, whole food recipes.
We have a beautiful, delicious Asian bowl recipe for you today, so you don't want to miss this. So before we get started, just wanted to remind you our website's up. We have some great recipes. Both Kristen and I have blogs, and we make nutritional articles that we think are interesting.
They are. So be sure to check that out. Also, we have a Patreon account. So if you guys are interested in any kind of meal plans, we give you a grocery list. We are setting you up for success. And also, we are going to be adding extra special recipes for the holidays coming up.
The holidays are here.
Yes.
It's October 1st. Oh my gosh.
I know. It's fall, you guys.
So they're here.
Yes. And also, if you do decide to sign up for Patreon, it's only $4 a month. So it's super affordable for a great meal plan.
Yeah. And we are going to be adding some extra holiday recipes just for our patrons. So be sure to check that out. Yes. Also, Amazon Prime Day is the 13th and 14th. I have my phone ready, my list done. But visit our Keto in the Country store. Right,
where we have a special Christmas package. You will find so many great gifts for the kitchen. I think if you're a female, you would love great gifts for the kitchen.
Yeah.
Or if you're a male.
We want all of these. Yes. So if any of you want to get us a gift, feel free to pick anything in our Christmas store. Now for our recipe. It's honestly one of the best Asian dishes, not dishes, but bowls, like a keto bowl.
Yes. And even people who are not keto in your household are going to like this. It's delicious. There's nothing not to like about it.
There's not. And it's versatile. You can use ground beef, ground turkey, ground chicken, even ground pork.
Right. Whatever you like. And if you want to add in extra veggies, anything that you have in your refrigerator that you love, throw in there. Mushrooms would be great.
So it's just so versatile. Add the vegetables that you have in your fridge. Just be sure to count the carbs. It's just an easy recipe. So
let's do it.
Okay. So the first thing we're going to do is rice 1/2 a head of cauliflower.
And now the ginger is anti-inflammatory, and you're going to want to use about 2 inches of chopped fresh ginger.
That makes such a difference, this fresh ginger.
It does. And of course, we love cilantro. We think that fresh herbs are the key to everything.
Yes. Taste, nutrition, everything.
And now what's nice about this recipe is it uses a 1/4 onion, which is a lot of flavor for only 3 carbs.
Yeah. Now, this is a 1/4 cup of sesame oil. Be sure, especially if you're using cast iron, heat up that skillet for at least 10 minutes first.
Yes.
So we added the onion. Now we're going to add the garlic.
And you just want to let that go ahead and brown until it's about translucent, not really brown.
It's gorgeous. I can almost smell it.
Yes.
Then we're going to add our pound of meat. We used ground beef.
Right. And you just want to give it a nice stir and put it in little bite-sized minced pieces.
Yeah. We tried to make it as small as we could. And, of course, there's our salt.
Soy sauce. Or you can use coconut aminos, whichever you prefer.
Mm-hmm. And this is going to be for the dressing.
Yes. And now we added an extra tablespoon of sesame oil because we love the flavor. A teaspoon of garlic powder.
And a tablespoon of monk fruit.
Now we chose apple cider vinegar because we love it. We think it's healthy. We're going to also add 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. It's very mild in flavor.
Yeah, you really can't taste it. Kristen's idea was to add some orange extract, which made the entire thing.
Now, this is so easy to assemble.
We did 1/3 a cup of cauliflower, 1/3 a cup of meat, and that's just for your macros. And, guys, whatever vegetable you have on hand, we cut up some bell pepper, some zucchini. We topped it with the cilantro, and then we topped it with the dressing.
Everyone in your family is going to enjoy this.
Oh, my gosh, it was so good. And there you go.
All right, you guys, this is our favorite part, and I think it's some of your favorite part.
Yeah, because when we don't do a taste test, we get at least 2 or 3 comments saying, where's the taste test?
Right.
So we don't always do one, but we are today.
You guys, Christy's going to experiment with chopsticks. I will not, because It's messy when I do.
I used to eat really well with chopsticks, but it's been decades.
And she put some kimchi on the side. If you guys can find this already made, grab it. It's delicious.
We added the kimchi. You might not want to take that to lunch, or nobody will talk to you for the rest of the day because it is stinky.
Maybe that's a good thing for you. Bring the kimchi.
Maybe you want that.
That's amazing.
It is amazing. We like to spice it up with sriracha oil.
Yes.
Or chili oil.
And what I kind of like about using vegetables that are just fresh chopped vegetables, not necessarily sauteed, is it's a nice added crunch. So you could even throw some toasted almonds or like some sesame seeds, pepitas. Anything you want. Okay, so if you guys like this video and you want more like these, be sure to like and hit subscribe. That little bell at the bottom.
Hit that little bell, and so you'll be notified of our recipes because we are trying to make keto sustainable for you. People kill me when they say it's not sustainable. It is sustainable. You just have to have variety and
the right ingredients.
The right ingredients. You can't eat the same thing over and over, and we always try to use whole food.
Yes.
So we will see you in the next video.
Thank you guys so much for joining today.
Bye.
Bye.